Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted posts on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok and I'm going to delete one of my posts on TikTok. I'm just going to delete this post. I'm going to tap on it and click on the three dots and I'm going to click on delete and click on delete again. Okay, now the post has been deleted and we can go to our TikTok setting, click on these three lines to open the TikTok setting and go to the settings and privacy. Okay, and here you need to select the activity center and that will be some options for you and go to the recently deleted. Okay, and these are my deleted posts on TikTok and I'm going to recover it. And just remember guys that we can only recover or restore deleted posts within 30 days. I'm going to recover or restore this post. Okay, and we can click on restore. Okay, and I'm going to check it on my profile. As you can see that the post has been restored. Alright guys, and that's all the way to recover deleted posts on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.